So till now we have learned about customer master data. Customer master data is going to consist of your general data and company code data, which is FD01. So and your general data and the sales area data, which is VD01. Central level, how to maintain, this is XD01 and XD02, XD03. Okay, so we have learned this, how to create account groups and partner determination in the similar way. So for any sales order customer, how much it is important, the customer is going to order the stock equivalently, that much important. So we learned different types of materials and material master. Before going into document architecture, let's try to see how to create condition master data. What is this condition? Condition is nothing but, so like some validation, like for example, you have a products called, you have a material 1. Okay, you have a material 1, let me put it m1 simply. You have a material 2, you have a material 3 and material 4. Okay, for these materials, for example, this is one brand. Okay, brand 1, brand 2, because these are the different brands. Okay, these two belongs to one material group. For example, these two belongs to one material group called, let's take an example, foods. Okay, so I'm just taking another thing, sorry, I'm just taking this one, like here brand 3, and you have something called brand 4. If you have brand 3 and brand 4, let's go for it. So these two brands belongs to like sauces. Okay, so our company is Dhruvan Group, right? It is going to manufacture the foods, sauces. Within the foods, you have biscuits and chocolates. Like basically, we will call it as a confectionaries. So like for our understandable language, I will call it as a like foods, snacks. You can say snacks. Okay. Okay, sauces we have. So when I say this is one material group. Okay, sauces is one material group. So let's see, you have two material belongs to snacks and another two material belongs to sauces. Okay, so like these sauces, like this is chili sauce and this is like a tomato sauce. Okay, they are manufacturing. So now if you would like to sell to these products for different customers, as I said that 27 is for every distributors. Okay, 28 we are selling for wholesalers, 29 is for retailers. Okay, 29 is retail. These are the three channels are there. So that means, so you have Ram, Krishna, and you have Raghu. Assume these are the three different customers are there. Okay, so like I have 1,000 customers here, 2,000 wholesalers, and retailers, 10,000 retailers are there. Different names. I have just have taken one example. He is distributor, he is wholesaler, he is retailer. So now when you raise a sales order, you will enter Ram. Okay, Ram as a sold to party, Ram as a ship to party. Sold to means who will raise the order, ship to means who will raise the, who will receive the delivery. Okay, receiving party. And in the similar way, you have a bill to, we have seen all these things, and you have a payer, and everything is okay, fine for me, for Ram. Okay, so I have a product, for example, this M1 material I'm ordering. Okay, so this M1 material I'm ordering at item level in sales order. So for M1 level, what is the price? That is the question into picture. What is the base price? For example, it is 20 euros. Okay, because ours is a European sales organization, right? Same brand. If I sell to, this is for RAM. Okay, item level. This is separate order for distributor order. In the similar way, if you go for wholesaler order, so like wholesaler, I am selling for 22. That means for company 20 euros. So this manufacturing cost is like 18 euros for Dhruvan Foods Company Limited. 18 euros. Okay. After packing and everything, they are going to get a 2 euros profit. See, in retail, they will do the business like this only. Sometimes 10 pies also margin. So 2 euros is more actually. So, but for example, we have to take it. So 2 euros profit. So the base price is 20 euros. In the similar way, for wholesaler, if you go for it, it is 22 euros. So let's go for retailer. Retailer, I am selling the same product, same brand one. Okay. So I'm selling it for 25 euros. So margin is 18 minus 25. Okay. How much? 7 euros. Here, how much? 18 minus 22. Sorry, 22 minus 18. So that means 4 euros profit. Okay. What is the profit? Here 2 euros. So here 4 euros. Here 7 euros. Okay. Everyone is doing the business for profit only, right? Not for loss. Okay. So Ram buy it, this one. This is who? Wholesaler Krishna. So retailer I am replacing with Raghu. When three different people raise three different orders, three different prices, how it will be controlled? That means you are conditioning your system like, I want this price. I want this profit. I want this price. I want this profit. I want this price for retailer. I want this profit. This is my cost. This is also controlling by SAP system. So like suppose if we have thousands of customers, hundreds of customers, how you are going to control this widget? It is very difficult. At the same time, not only this, sometimes I will give the discount. Okay, like 0.5 euro on a bulk, it is a huge discount, or else 0.75 euros. So I'm sacrificing my profits, or else I will try to control my competition in the world. Okay, in the similar way, I will try to give like this 0.80. Okay, 80 like this I can able to control. So these are assume that some discount I'm giving. Okay, sometimes I'm sending the samples for free of cost. This price will be there, but this price should be 100% discount when you are sending samples. Best example, if you take Ramback C, they are sending or else Cipla. So medical representatives, they are going to each and every medical store. They are giving samples for doctors. That is for free of cost, because when they write prescription, that is going to be sold for all patients. So in the similar way, like if any chemical product is there, any foreigner is there, he is going to buy that one. They are sending the samples from here. A lot of samples we are exporting and importing. Some samples maybe tax will be there, some samples tax might not be there. It's all depends on government encouragement. GST will be there, GST might not be there. So your tax will be controlled. Tax is one condition. Your discount, like if I say your base price is one condition, your tax is one condition, your discount is one condition. So all these parts we are going to see on SAP system, how we are going to control this one. So this is all these will be controlled by pricing configuration. How it will be controlled? It will be controlled by pricing configuration. Okay, pricing means your money, right? Configuration, how to price, configuration. A lot of things are there. It's one of the biggest topic. Okay, so if you go for it, if you whatever the configuration if you done, like for customer account groups you are created, what do you call number ranges you have created at configuration level and partner determination you have done. For that you are maintaining master data through central level XD01, XD02, XD03. The similar way material level configuration will be done by consultants, that again it will be controlled by master data. So as I said that initially we have three key important masters. One is customer, and the next one is material, and third one is condition master data. Okay, and apart from that there is one more is there, output master, that we are going to discuss later, but our concentration today is on condition master data. As of now you don't concentrate anything on this. Okay, so whatever the material yesterday we have created, I will try to enter into the SAP system. So all your prices will, all pricing conditions, all your conditions will be configured in pricing procedure. So the pricing procedure conditions, whatever the values, which condition you will be maintained, that will be controlled through your condition master data. Like how much, this much price for retailer, this much price for wholesaler, this much price for my distributor. Okay, let's come here. So in standard, for base price, what is the condition type? PR00. Okay, this if you wanted to change, you can able to change it. As of now you don't try to research on that. I will show you when the time comes. After 10 days or 15 days the topic will come, because it has a certain dependencies, like you have to learn what is document architecture within that item categories and scheduling categories. A lot of things need to learn, so that's why it's an advanced topic in our learning. So for this PR00, and there is one more mandatory condition like MWST, it is coming for tax actually. Okay, how you have to maintain, I will show you. If you would like to maintain, you can able to maintain couple of discounts for your understanding. K003, K007, K005 and K007 will be there. I will show you how the system works on this. Okay, let me go back to SAP screen. So this we are just maintaining the master data. We were not completed our pricing topic yet. When next time comes, you'll come to know how exactly it works. Okay, so yesterday we have created certain materials. Okay, let's take an example how we are going to maintain condition master data. I will show you today. Okay, so let's go to whatever I say, that instruction you follow for today, but in future you will come to know why we are maintaining these base prices. If you would like to create it, you can create it your own condition types also. Okay, let's come here now, VA01. So let's take this document type OR. Okay, so let me take this. Okay, so we have entered sold to and shipped to. If you see here, there is one field called net value, it is coming 0. That means we haven't maintained any condition master data. If come here, let's go, what is the material yesterday we have created? Let's try to search with some parameter. You can able to search like this. Okay, let me try to, if you know the description or language, you can able to give it. Let me try to search with sales organization. Okay, this is easy way, or else you can able to search at table level, that I will show you later. So for this sales organization, nothing got created. So let's put this. This is material class. Let's keep this. Okay, cancel this. So let me try to search. Let me kill the session. I will enter again. If it is there, it will be there. I think someone might have. Okay, let me try to search at table level. So yesterday we have created this material. Okay, so let's try to choose this material. Okay, now you got this material code. Now I'm just creating the sales order now. Enter my sold to party and enter this material and press quantity as 1. Okay, what it is saying? So material is not defined for this distribution channel. That means if you see our customer is created, we are ordering this customer for retailer. Okay, for retailer. So this material is not defined. So this material might be defined in another sales area 2727 and 27. Now what we can do, the same material if supposed to be available, we can able to extend it. Okay, so let's come here, give our material. So what we have taken, retail we have taken, what we have taken, trading goods. Okay, this is for practice I'm showing you. See, trading goods. See, copying from where we are copying, we are copying from the same material, but we are extending it to distribution channel. If you press enter, so all these tabs I want it. So initially it is created for this. So copying from data should be required here. Okay, so already that means your material is exists in this particular sales area. Okay, let me select this. So that means from where I'm copying, I need the this material data from the sales organization, this sales. Okay, so that plant and that particular sales organization 2727, and we have created it for what do you call 27. Okay, so now let's try to make it 28, sorry 29. We want it retailer, the same material should be available. Okay, so then if I would like to make it default, I will make it default. Later if I would like to change it manually, I can able to change it. Press enter. Okay, now see, initial tabs already copied. So if you would like to make any changes, this delivering plant or something like that, it is asking the material already exists and will be extended. Extended means it will be created in another sales area. Okay, press enter. Press enter. You just press enter. Everything. If you would like to make any changes, you can able to make changes actually. Okay, so we haven't done MRP profile. Let's go to the accounting one tab. Cannot be chosen. It is enter at organization level. Okay, so valuation type. Okay, let it be. Because of some reasons it is not allowing. So let's copy here till now, no problem. We are at sales order level only, right? So don't extend other tabs. Let's take this material. Now let's try to create sales order. Now it's simple. All these things will become practice once you do more practice. Okay, order. Who is our retailer? Ends with 3. I'm entering. So like I'm entering this material, now it will accept. See, now it is accepting. So now if you click here, there is something called conditions that we are going to see. You have a gross value or something net value. There are different parameters will be there. You don't worry about that. If you come here, there is one button called, you try to remember, this is the new learning. This button is called header. You click this header. If you see first tab, you can able to see the pricing procedure. This is where we have done pricing determination. Okay, I will try to repeat it again, but I will show you. For this procedure, we'll try to maintain the pricing conditions. How we have to maintain? I'm just killing this session. So remember this VK11 to maintain your master data. So which condition type? Base condition type PR00 you enter, not PROO, it is PR00. If we enter, so it is asking which combination I need to maintain for my material price. Okay, if you understand this, you can able to maintain remaining conditions also. So it is asking, so this is for retailer. What is the retailer for this price? Okay, so for this material I'm maintaining somewhere around 200 per pack. So this is a big, it's a biscuits, right? Cookies, 20 euros I'm maintaining. Okay, so this is called condition master data. So don't try to make any research on this at this part. We'll come back again. I will try to explain how the condition master data works. So if you select this, there is one field called you. If you want, you can able to maintain scales also. So one pack 20 euros. Okay, suppose one pack 20 euros. If you buy 100 packs, from 100 packs, if you buy 100 above, I'm giving price as like it depends on the scale. Let's try to put it somewhere 19 euros I'm giving. That means price will be reduced if you take more quantity. Like that you can able to maintain these two. You try to understand this. If you see this is the sales organization and distribution channel. I'm saving the price. In the similar way, same price you can able to maintain. If you click this key combination only for material, plant and material, only at material level also if you maintain. If you click this, you can able to maintain at material level. Okay, in the similar way, if you go for other key combination, now we maintain. So if you come here, this is customer material. So that means for this customer, if it is this retailer, it might be Krishna, or else Ram as a distributor or Krishna as a wholesaler. Like if you'd like to maintain some material, you can able to maintain it. This is how you can able to maintain. In the similar way, there is something called MWST tax. Actually, if it is domestic or import, how you'd like to maintain it? Don't get into this. Don't try to check all these things. I'll get back to you whenever it is needed. Okay, or else let me show you something. Okay, before getting into this, so now if you go back to our example, so these prices are like base price for brand. Depends on, suppose if I take customer material, who is my customer? These, all these are customer. Okay, so for these customers, and what is my material? Material, sorry, material is some starts with 5 star we created just now, right? Some material with 5 star, that material. Okay, so in SAP material I'm just giving, I'm not entering the complete material for copy. Okay, this material. So if he is distributor, so what is my sales organization? 27. So for this guy, if I would like to maintain, it is 2727. My distribution channel is 27. I'm choosing. So price is 20. Okay, I'm just taking here. Base price is 20 euros. Okay, so if I go for 272728, that means wholesale price is this. In the similar way, now we maintain 2727 and 29 as a retail price. This is what customer material combination I maintain condition record. Suppose if customer is not there, only material. So when I take, if I go back to the same thing, if I go for here, so the same PR00. Okay, so if I click this key combination or press enter, so customer material means like I am choosing this. Only material means it might be sales organization, distribution channel might be there, or else some plant material key combination also I will maintain. So I will choose for every, whoever falls under, whoever receiving the stock from that plant, for the particular material only one price, that's standard price. Okay, so it depends on scenario. We are going to create our key combinations. Okay, now let me show you. Now check an SAP system, our base price is coming for this guy or not. Okay, when I entered this material, it won't come automatically. Okay, at customer level we haven't maintained. What we have maintained for this customer, if I'm selling this material, if the quantity is one. Okay, one is what? Pack. See, if you see the pack, one pack, how much we maintain? 20 euros. Okay, now you got the net price, right? If you click here, go to the conditions, you can see PR0020. Now let me try to give couple of discounts for your understanding. Okay, so same story, go to week 11 for creation. So this time K005 I'm choosing K005 one condition type. Okay, don't come here. So check the key combinations. Only customer material level I am giving the discount. Okay, suppose my customer is this one. As of now, Raghu I have taken. So same material I'm giving like 1 euro. This is fixed. I am giving discount. Okay, K005. In the similar way, there is something called K003. No, sorry, K007 will be there in standard. If you click this, okay, this what is the key combination? Go back. If I would like to choose customer, only at customer level I maintain. Okay, this, that is customer material level we have maintained. So who is the customer? Who is the customer means like Raghu, right? So VA03, sorry, VA02, VA01. Let me try to take the customer that is there at the drop down, right? So let's come here. Who is my customer? So my customer is Raghu is here. So when I press enter, it is asking. So now previously fixed value, it is asking percentage. I'm giving 2% discount. It will calculate system automatically. Don't worry about all these things to learn how to maintain this condition records. Okay. So you maintain K0007. Now go to, you would like to make a changes. VK12, similar way, like change. VK13 is for display. Suppose K007 I entered, I entered inside. So it's not 2%, it's assume 3% if I would like to make change. So the price is not from today, it is from, like assume sometimes it might happen, it might require from one day before. Okay, like you can able to choose the validity. If you press enter, you can see this is the customer. All these fields valid on. So like amount is whatever the amount you are entering. Per means per, you see percentage means you need not tell it. Whatever the unit of measurement, it will apply. So per piece, if you go for your PR00, if you understand that, you can understand everything. PR00, if you come here, so we have created at material level, right? If you take this is the condition record at change level. I entered VK12. Okay, so if you see, this is the material, this is the description, this is the amount which talks about, this is unit of measurement. At condition record level we are maintaining. Sometimes you may, this is by default it is picking euro. If you'd like to change, you can change it to INR. It depends on your requirement. Per means per pack or per piece or per each, how you are maintaining. So this will automatically clicked by system. Calculation type C means, I will show you something. C means it is per quantity, it is calculating. Whereas if you go for fixed value, for a discount, it is giving 1 euro, right? In the similar way, it is going to calculate percentage that we have entered for discounts. It all depends on your requirement. If scale is maintained, this is the tick mark. As of now, this is sufficient. So if you'd like to change it, you can change it. If you select this, you can able to delete also. Okay, so this is how this is the brief about your condition master data. Now let me show you how to create sales order. Previously we have seen base price, right? Now if you enter the customer, nothing is coming. Okay, customer level. But if you enter material, you'll get something. So previously price is 20 euros, right? As per our example, now it become 19. How it became 19, I will show you now. So come here, conditions, see. So this is 1 euro applied, but 3% it is not applied. So if condition type it is looking like yellow, means it is inactivated. It has certain reasons. Someone has maintained like best of these two conditions. Which one is this? Okay, so like this is more than 1 euro applied, this is less than, it is not applied. This is one configuration. You don't get into that. This is advanced pricing concept. You try to understand this much. This is sufficient for you. Okay, now in the similar way, certain condition types are there, right? Certain might be mandatory. It might ask. If you go back, try to check incomplete log. Incomplete log means if any data because of configuration it is required that you haven't filled. So like these many are there that we are going to see later. Okay, so Incoterms already explained. Terms of payment I'm going to explain. Shipping point determination we're going to see in another few days, whenever at the time of creating delivery. Now you try to learn this much. Okay, how to create conditions, how to create discounts. So like PR00 your base price, take out the tax. As of now we'll explain. So these K005 and K00, this is fixed discount. Okay, this is fixed discount and this is percentage discount. This is how you can able to maintain your condition master data. Okay, so how we are going to determine price for these? So for example, what is our pricing procedure? As of now, RVA RVWA01. This is the pricing procedure. That means your PR00, K0005, K007 will be there in this. Okay, so if you'd like to determine your sales order, if pricing is not determined, I already explained you for that error. Like when your price is not determined, like some key combination is missing. Let me show you an SAP system one more time how the price will be determined. So this is the place where we're going to determine our price determination. There is something called OVKK. This is the transaction. Okay, so last time we have maintained, like if you are getting any pricing error, like so always you maintain customer pricing procedure as one. Okay, this you are going to learn in future classes how you'd like to maintain on your own. Always maintain it as A, because since as long as you are using only standard document type OR, document pricing procedure is this one. So this is your sales area. I think you can able to configure your sales area here: sales organization, distribution channel division, document pricing procedure, customer pricing procedure, this one. So only difference is like three type of customers are there. That's why we have three distribution channels. How it works? So in our customer master data, if you see, okay, let me open this. So for this customer, I have shown you what is this customer sales area. If you select this, okay, if you come here, sales area data, you can able to see customer pricing processes. This is one standard, like too many procedures are there. So for this customer, if it is one, okay, one combination means that it will pick. And if you go to document level, okay, this is the transaction. You don't worry about this as of now. We are not at to document level. Explanation for configuration war. So when I am using this document type, when my document pricing procedure is A, and when I'm using my customer as a wholesaler or retailer, that time my customer pricing procedure is 1. So then I am asking my OVKK configuration, which pricing procedure do I need to determine. Okay, so that means wholesaler customer I will maintain 1, retailer I maintain. Sometimes I might varies, I will change this. It depends on my scenarios. If you see some person has changed 1 to Y like that, that we are going to learn later. As of now, this knowledge is sufficient. You put your sales area, document type. What is my document type? I'm asking order, OR, and what is my customer pricing procedure, either wholesaler and retailer. For that, this pricing procedure need to be determined. This is how it will determine. If you go to XD02, oh sorry, VA02, okay, sorry, VA01, we haven't yet saved our sales order. So order, if I say for this sales area, so don't go for this customer. So let's go for this customer. Okay, no problem. Let's enter this material. So this material is not defined for this distribution channel. Let's try to take any other known one. So for this, if I press enter, I'll choose this one only. Shift to also same, I'm just choosing. Say yes. Okay. So if I say quantity is this, what is this? What we have taken? Maybe I have taken another sales area. That's why it is killing you. Let's try to put it retail only we have taken, right? So that's why it is giving wholesaler we haven't done actually. Okay, if you see, you are going to learn one new thing here. What this is called header. Actually, I'm going to give detailed explanation. Don't worry, in future classes you can see this is the procedure. Because of this procedure, for this procedure, whatever the conditions we have, for that conditions we have maintained the data. That's why it's coming like this. So this is how you can able to maintain your condition master data. So let's come here. What is the transaction before closing our class? VK11 for create, VK12 is for change, VK13. So what you can do, you take all these 3 condition types, you try to maintain prices, change and display, you try to test it at your end at initial level. That's it for today. So let's try to close this session now.